welcome to our train layout. It's snowing. Does it look real? It's real snow. It looks real. It's pretty realistic. That's cool. Horrible cut. So tonight we are going to keep working on the new main line for the narrow gauge layout. We worked on the main line in the last couple videos in the King City coal mine area, went underneath the layout to the opposite side. So now we're going to work on that opposite side, getting it inside this mountain, or at least getting something to put the track down on. So that's our main goal tonight. Also, there's a turnout on the standard gauge layout that we're trying to get in, kind of having trouble with it. Working on that a little bit, did a little extra wiring, whatever. So, here we go. Off we go. There we go. Yeah. Continue. Forward. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Scott, what are you working on?
Wiring.
Wire? Wire for what?
Turnout number 50, to be precise.
There you go. Turnout number 50. So this is the standard gauge layout. And a while ago, I added this piece of wood in here. Obviously it needs scenery and stuff, but that is strong enough to stand on. So, because this is up in the mountain, and it's a little difficult to work on this area. So that you can work on this area, you can actually sit on, this board up here also. So that makes it a little easier to work on stuff up there. You've seen this board here, but now I actually have got wood in place here. This is secured but still adjustable because we need to adjust that grade, but it's in here. This is all connected, and this is all connected here, and this is all connected here, and then that will go up onto that curved piece, which I have not cut that in yet. And all this track is just laying here just to figure out how it's going to go, so I can get an idea of how it's going to snake its way through here. I think it's going to work out just fine. So we're getting close to getting this main line on this side up and running. All right, that wraps up the evening. Scott was here and my dad was here and I was here. It was snowing outside, so it's a little crazy out there, the roads and whatnot. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. So subscribe and like.